And now for our horse, taking a 260 and inflated, leaving about a 5.5 inch tail on the end of it. Make it a little soft. Now we're going to squeeze about a 1/2 inch bubble on the end, just a little small bubble. Helps if you hang on to it. Then grab the knot, bring it down to the base, and then make a pinch twist on the end of that. Hang on to it, and we're going to make another little 1/2 inch bubble, and then make that into a pinch twist as well. So you now have 2 little pinch twists on the end of the balloon that are going to make the horse's lips. Now we're going to make just over maybe 1.5 inch bubble there. That'll be his muzzle. I'm going to make his ears, 2 little small, about 3/4 inch bubbles. And then twist those together in a lock twist. So there's his head. Now we're going to make his neck about 2 inches long, and his front legs about 1.5 to 2 inches. 2 of those. Lock them together with a lock twist. Now we're going to make a mane for our horse. This is what's called a string of pearls. We're going to make 6 small bubbles that are going to go up, connect into there, and come back down like this. So make 1, 2, 3. You get the third one, bring it up, and then take this extra piece and wrap it once completely around his ears to lock that in place. Now we're going to make 3 more. If this comes undone, don't worry about it too much just yet. Just like those. There's 1, 2, 3. Once you get the third one, come down and then go around his legs a time or 2 to lock that in place. And now our horse has a mane. We'll make about 1.5 inch body, and then 2 back legs, about 1.5 inch piece, the same as our front legs. What's left over becomes a tail as we lock those back legs together with a lock twist. And there's our little horse.